Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a lesson from the book First Flight. Okay, lesson number 6, the 100 Dresses part 2. About this lesson, we already published the video number 1. Firstly, those who hadn't seen that video must watch that video so that you will get the idea about the story. Okay, in our first video we will discuss the previous part of this lesson. Today we will see the ahead. Okay, let's see what is there. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. Maddie spent her afternoon on Saturday with Peggy. They were writing a letter. They both were writing a letter to Wanda Petrosky. Maggie and Paddy were get together and write a letter to Wanda Petrosky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. Both Maddie and Peggy wants to tell Wanda Petrosky about her winning to the contest. Okay, they want to be friend of Wanda Petrosky. They told her now how pretty her drawing were. They told in that letter that how pretty her drawing were. They wants to tell Wanda Petrosky that her drawing was absolutely beautiful, and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. Okay, and they also want to know that where Wanda Petrosky went and where she was living right now. Okay, and how was her new teacher. Okay, they had meant to say that they were sorry. In short, they want to say sorry to Wanda Petrosky about their behavior, but it end up with their just writing a friendly letter. Okay, but they could not mention the word sorry in that letter. They just mention as a friendly letter to Wanda Petrosky because they felt sorry, but they didn't want to say sorry to Wanda Petrosky. Okay, but in another way they say sorry to Wanda Petrosky by writing the friendly letter, but it end up with their just writing friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend. Okay, the letter they were writing in the way in which the good friend was written. They had signed it with lots of X for love. Okay, Wanda Petrosky, they signed to at the end of the letter with lot of love. They mailed the letter to the Boggins Heights. Okay, on the address of the Boggins Heights, Maggie and Paddy sent or mailed the letter, writing please forward on the envelope, and write down on the envelope to forward this letter till Wanda Petrosky, because right now Wanda Petrosky was not living on Boggins Heights. Okay, so they want to send this letter till the Wanda Petrosky, but they didn't have new address of the Wanda Petrosky, so that they send that letter till the Boggins Heights, so that someone will come to the Boggins Heights and send the letter to the Wanda Petrosky. Okay. Days passed and there was no answer. Okay, the days passed from the letter, but no one will answer about the letter. But the letter did not come back. Okay, letter also did not come back about from the Wanda Petrosky. So they felt that the letter couldn't reach to the Wanda Petrosky. So may be Wanda and received it. Okay, so they felt that Wanda could not receive the letter. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. In another way, they were thought that Wanda Petrosky was angry on both of her, so that she didn't reply about the letter. You could not blame her. Okay, you could not blame her because you hurt Wanda Petrosky a lot, so they could not blame Wanda Petrosky about replying the letter. Weeks went but still Vanda did not answer. Many a days was passed, but Vanda Petrovsky didn't answer the letter. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. Peggy began to forget about the entire episode related with the Vanda Petrovsky, and Mary put herself to step at the night marking speeches about Vanda. Okay, and another time. Peggy was forgotten about all the incident, forgotten about the Vanda Petrovsky. Okay, but Maddie put herself to sleep at night, making the speeches about Vanda. Okay, defending her from the great crowds of the girls who were trying to tease her with. Okay, Maddie could not come out from this. Okay, Maddie felt that in some way she was the responsible for left the school of the Vanda Petrovsky. Okay, so she felt herself that she was some of the part of that crowd who were trying to tease the Vanda Petrovsky, and just because of that reason Vanda Petrovsky left the school. So she felt that she is also responsible for that. Okay. And all the time girls were teasing Vanda Petrovsky, how many dresses have you got? Okay, and before Vanda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, okay, stop. Then everybody would feel ashamed, and the way she used to feel. Okay, so Mary felt very bad about the behavior which was done by her towards the Vanda Petrovsky. Sorry, because if she tried at once, she could stop the girls from teasing the Vanda Petrovsky. So this way she was blamed on herself only. Now it was Christmas time, so the time spent, and Christmas came, and there was a snow on the ground. Okay, because it was the month of the December, and the snow was falling down. It was normally Christmas bells and and a small tree decorated in the classroom. Okay, the class was decorated with the Christmas tree and small bell on the last day of school before the holidays. Okay, because after the Christmas there will be holiday, so it was the last day in the school. Okay, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. The class teacher showed room 13 to the letter which was received in the morning. Okay, that letter from the Vanda Petrovsky. You can see the picture of the dresses, okay, which was drawn by the Vanda Petrovsky. From that she won the contest. Okay. Now teacher, bring the letter about the Vanda Petrovsky and tell the class, you remember Vanda Petrovsky? The teacher came to the class and said the class that you remember Vanda Petrovsky, the gifted little artist. Okay, do you remember the Vanda Petrovsky? She was the gifted little artist, won the drawing contest. Okay, well, she has returned me. The Miss Mason told to the class that she returned to her about the letter, and I am glad to know where she lives, and she knows that she became very happy after knowing where she was living, because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. When Miss Mason came to the class and tell the class that she she received the letter from the Vanda Petrovsky. In that letter, Vanda Petrovsky mentioned the address about where she was living. Okay, and she was happy just because she is able to send the medal, because she got the new address of the Vanda Petrovsky. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intensely. Okay, the class was very eager to listen about the letter, what Vanda Petrovsky wrote in that letter. Miss Mason was read that letter, which was written by the Vanda Petrovsky to Miss Mason. Dear Miss Mason, Vanda Petrovsky start the letter with the Dear Miss Mason. How are you? In room 13, she asked about how are you means how Miss Mason was and how the room 13 was. Please tell me the girls they can keep those 100 dresses, because in my new house I have 100 new ones. Okay, she mentioned that tell the girls they can keep the 100 dresses, because in her new house, in Vanda Petrovsky's new house, she has 100 new ones all line up in my closet. Vanda Petrovsky said that all my new dresses were lined up in a closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dresses with the red trimming, and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. Okay, she gifted this two painting, okay, to Maddie and Peggy. Okay, green dress to the Peggy, and next green dress to the Maddie, and a blue dress to the Peggy. Okay, for the Christmas gift, as a Christmas gift, she presented this both the painting to Maddie and Peggy. I miss the school and my new teacher. She write in the letters that she missed the school and new teacher. Does not equalize with you. Okay, the school was not equalized with you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. And she wished Merry Christmas to whole class 13. Okay, your truly Vanda Petrovsky. At last she wrote, your truly Vanda Petrovsky. So this is the letter to which was written to the Miss Mason by Vanda Petrovsky. Okay. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawing very carefully. Maddie and Peggy received the both dresses of the drawing, and they watched it very carefully. All the houses had wreath and holly in the window. Why? Just because of the Christmas, all the houses were decorated with the various color. Outside the grocery store, hundred of the Christmas tree were stocked, and they show because all the street were decorated, the houses were decorated, the shops were decorated. The grocery shop had 100 of the Christmas tree there was stuck, and into the window, in the window, candy, peppermint stick, and corn copies of the shiny transparent paper was strung. So on the window they can see the peppermint stick to decorate the window, and shiny transparent paper also decorate the window. The air smelled like a Christmas, and light shining everywhere, refreshing different color on the snow. Okay, the atmosphere, the entire atmosphere show about the festival of the Christmas. Okay. Boy, said Peggy. Means Peggy said, "Wow, this is snow. She really likes us." Okay, it shows she got our letters, and this is her way of saying everything all right, and that's what. Okay, that's that. Okay, Peggy feels that. Peggy feels that. Sorry, Peggy feels that she means Vanda Petrovsky received the letter from whatever was sent by Maggie and Paddy. She was received that letter, and the letter which was returned to the Miss Mason. You can say that it was the answer of that letter. Okay, that was Peggy thought. I hope so, said Maddie. Maddie replied her that she hoped so sadly. Maddie was become sadly after listening the letter from Vanda Petrovsky. She felt sad because she knows she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl again, and couldn't ever really make the things right between them. Okay, Mary felt very sorry just because she in future she couldn't meet Vanda Petrovsky and never said sorry to her. Okay, she went home. Okay, and she painted her drawing over a place and picked pink forward wallpaper in the bedroom. So she put down the drawing onto the her flowered wallpaper into the bedroom, which was torn out place. Okay, the shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. Okay, the shabby room of the Maddie was came out with a beautiful very beautiful, with the brilliancy of the color, with the brilliancy of the painting which was drawn by the Vanda Petrovsky and gifted to the Maddie. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. Okay, Maddie sat on her bed and looked and observing about the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. After that, she had stood and said nothing. But Vanda had been nice to her anyway. But Vanda was very nice to her by presenting the gift to her. Okay, so she felt very amazing at that time. So after observing the painting, tears blurred her eyes and she gazed for a long time at the picture. Gazed means look at the painting very sharply. Okay, see उसकी आंखों में से क्या निकल जाता है? Blurred her eyes means she was crying after observing the picture. She remembered Vanda Petrovsky. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intensely. Okay, she observed the painting very sharply, and after that she rubbed her eyes. The colors in the dresses were so vivid. The colors in the dresses were so different that she had scarcely noticed the face and headed of the drawing, but it looked like her. Maddie, it's really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self. Vanda had really drawn this for her. Okay, Vanda Petrovsky was really drawn this picture for Maddie. Exactly, she run over the Peggy's. Okay, so see, after realizing that Vanda Petrovsky drawn this picture for the Peggy and Mary separately, so she got up from the bed and went to the Peggy and said, Peg, she said, let me see your picture. And asking the picture which was received by the Peggy from Vanda Petrovsky, what's the matter? Asked Peggy. Peggy asked to her that what was the matter. As they clattered up her room, whereas the Vanda drawing was laying face down on the bed, Maddie carefully raised it. Okay, sorry. Vanda's drawing was laying as a face down on the bed means उल्टा होके वो बेड पे उसने रख दिया था. मैडी केयरफुली रेज्ड इट. मैरी ने उसको बहुत ध्यान से उठाया. लुक शी ड्रॉन यू. ओके, शी शेयर्ड दैट Vanda Petrovsky drawn you. That's you, she exclaimed, and the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. और उसको बता रही है कि ये तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं लग रहा है. It's not look like you, it's exactly look like you. Why did I say, said Peggy, why did I say, said she must have really liked us anyway. और वो कहती है कि मुझे कहना चाहिए कि वेंडा पेट्रोस्की हमको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती थी. शी लाइक्स अस वेरी मच. यस शी मस्ट हैव एग्रीड मैडी. मैडी ऑल्सो एग्रीड विद द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की दैट शी वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक्ड देम. And she blinked away the tears that come every time she thought Vanda standing alone with the shiny spot in the schoolyard. Okay, so and she blinked away with the tears, and all the time whenever they were teasing her, all the time she was standing into the yard of the school, into the shiny spot, and all the time the tears that comes out, looking stolidly over at the group of the laughing girls after she had walked off. After he said, sure, 100 of them all line up. Okay, and at they were remembered that all the time she was speaking to the girl, that 100 of dresses that she had and all are line up, she was talking about that drawing only. She was not talking about the real dresses. But at last Maddie and Peggy will realize that Vanda Petrovsky was such a nice guy, and she was all the time wants to make the friendship with both of them, but they were all the time teasing Vanda Petrovsky. और लास्ट में वो दोनों रोते हैं, but there is no meaning because they will never meet Vanda Petrovsky again. So here finish the lesson 100 dresses part 2. I hope guys you will get the idea about the lesson, okay, related to this PDF. Whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF. You have to write down that one in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about a new chapter, new topic. Okay, bye, take care.